how to merge link flyers in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Canva website right here. And as you can see, I have two flyers in a separate project and I want to merge them. So the first thing that we need to do is to open one of the flyers right here. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this one. And once we're now here, as you can see, I only have one flyer right here. However, I also want to add the second flyer, which is right here. However, it is in another project. So what we're going to do next is to go back into this part and then click add page. Now, once you click add page right there, the next thing that we need to do is to go here in our left screen and then click the projects. Once you click the projects right here, you will see this flyer, and once you click on that flyer right here, as you can see, we now have also added the flyer that we want to add earlier. So they are now in the same project and we now have merged them into one. So that is basically it. That is how to merge link flyers in Canva.